मेघालय उच्च न्यायालय द्वारा गठित एकल सदस्य समिति के प्रमुख न्यायमूर्ति सेवानिवृत्त बीपी कटाके ने शुक्रवार को बताया कि थोड़ा अधिक 75,000 मीट्रिक टन पुनर्स्थापित पुनर्निवेशित कोयला नियमित डिपो तक पहुंचाया जाना बाकी है और इसे पूरा करने के लिए जिला प्रशासन को 15 दिन का समय दिया गया है। ये जानकारी देते हुए कि 3 जिलों में साउथ वेस्ट खासी हिल्स, वेस्ट खासी हिल्स, साउथ गारो हिल्स में पुनर्निर्मित कोयला का परिवहन लगभग पूरा हो चुका है। उन्होंने पूर्वी जाइंटिया हिल्स में कहा कि 1.3 लाख मीट्रिक टन कोयले से 60,000 मीट्रिक टन थोड़ा अधिक का परिवहन किया, 70,000 मीट्रिक टन शेष बाकी है।
Physical existence and also the transportation to a designated depot within 15 days from now. Because the coal owners may not be interested to transport it. There may be two reasons. One is that they are not interested, or another reason may be that coal presently not available because already sold out. Not by the CI, by the coal owners themselves, maybe. So therefore that has to be verified, and after verification, whether it is 70,000 metric ton or less than that, it has to be transported to the designated depot. That much direction I have issued to the Deputy Commissioner East India. And but so far as the auction coal, in November also we had an auction. In last March 2023 we had an auction. November 23 we had an auction. But though in November 23 auction most of the coal put to auction were sold, but the lifting so far has not been done. Not satisfactory. The majority quantity of the coal is yet to be lifted. So since the process of auction, it takes a long time, and also out of the sale proceeds, some amount has to be paid to the Coal India Limited as well as the agency conducting the auction. I have allowed the government to extend the time for payment of bid value by the successful bidder, but intimating them that this is the last chance given to you to deposit whatever may be the bid value, and if you do not do that, the entire money would be forfeit and it would be put to re-auction because that quantity is already in the designated depot. My whole effort first effort is to transfer the inventoried coal to the designated depot so that it is in a central place, and thereafter to have a drone survey of the concerned 4 districts about the availability of any other coal. Whatever coal after transportation of this 14 lakh metric ton of coal is found has to be illegally mined coal, which again has to be seized and put to auction, and that the price of that coal will not go to the coal owners. It will come to the state exchequer only.